Car 2, did anybody want contact at the caller's RP's location?
Fine.
Good.
Brookline, unknown injury accident. Phase 2 is hitting in the area of Farm Road 182 and State Highway Double Z Zebra southbound. It's going to be for a vehicle that was in a ditch, hazards on. Appears to have wrecked out. Caller didn't stop. Unknown injury. Ops 2.
Quick initial bid.
Brookline, Engine 1 showing you en route. Phase 2 location showing the 5500 block of South State Highway Double Z Zebra, just south of Farm Road 182. Cross streets of Farm Road 186 and 182. Map page U Union 12 for unknown injury accident, single vehicle, southbound on State Highway Double Z Zebra with a smashed front end on Ops 2.
Dispatch, Brookline Battalion 3.
Brookline Battalion 3, go ahead.
Do you have a make and model of that vehicle?
I do not. They were driving by and just advised it was a single vehicle in in the ditch.
That's clear. There was a single vehicle this morning versus a deer non-injury. They were leaving it until they could get it towed. It's going to be northbound just south of County Line Road, north of Terrell Valley, on the east side of the roadway. I'll head that way to confirm if she'll show me en route radio only.
Okay.
Car 2, I close that down to HBO.
Clear car 2.